Hello everyone. So last we talked about HTTP sampler, and to get a grasp of what exactly this number of threads can do. Jmeter is basically a performance testing tool. Like it is used to test the performance of any application under stress or load. So what I'll be doing, uh, I'll be sending a traffic with a very large number of users on one of my websites, because Wikipedia and most of the well-known websites can handle these many requests, but not this one, like codeblue.com. This is my own website, and it's running on a free hosting server. So if I send a large volume of traffic, I will exhaust the free quota and the website will stop opening. So let's see. We will we will see a live demonstration of what exactly this number of threads can do in a live web application. Similar to the last one, we'll go to header manager. Header manager, we need to add a header for this website. So I'll delete the existing one. I'll copy the request header from the, sorry, from the browser. Go to add from clipboard. I added everything. HTTP request, I'll add my website codeblue.com. Okay, codeblue.com. It's HTTP only. So I'll remove the HTTPS. For 3. By default, it will take 8080. Encoding we will leave, and let's say I am sending. First, I'll send just one request to check if it's passing or not. Cool. Now, there is one more thing I forgot to mention in the last video. In the HTTP request, there is an option like follow redirects. Follow redirect will basically follow any kind of temporary redirect like 301, 302, and it will keep on following the redirects. It does so until like 20 to 25 steps. After that, it will get timeout. So it's recommended to turn on this feature, because once we are getting a redirect, we we are required to follow it to get to the final page. Redirect automatically does the same thing. The only difference is follow redirect will show you all the intermittent request, while redirect automatically will land you to the final page directly. We will always check this follow redirect thing. Let's see the setting 111. Now we will play it. It might take some time because my website is just a wrap. It will take some time. Okay, function to what is this? Uh, Please enable JavaScript. Nice, nice. Slash I is equal to 1. Let's say we add these things also, because right now we are landing on this page. Like, please in not this one, sorry. Please enable JavaScript. So let's say in the request, I'm adding slash. Okay, it's processing. You can see it is spawned. Running threads is 1, total number of threads 1, and it took 11 seconds. Same thing, but here we are trying to do stress on my website. So let's say I'll change the number of threads to 100. Now we will run, and also I'll disable. Okay, it's already disabled. Run it. 100 thing. I'll try to load my website. Okay, still loading. Mm, now let us do 1000. But when I have added 1000, I'll disable the result because I don't want to spam my Jmeter with all this data. And also it will consume a lot of RAM. So for this situation, we add another listener. This is summary report. Summary report will show data in more summarized manner instead of details one. So when we are doing like 1000 threads and some huge volume of thread, we don't use result view result tree. We use only when we are trying to create the profile. Once the profile has been created, we disable it because it will consume a lot of RAM. Now 1000 threads are in the system. They are trying to access the page, and once it's loaded, it will show the output. Error basically check whether the response code is 200 or not. If it's not 200, it will increase the error percentage. But not having a status, like if you are having a status code of 200, it does not guarantee the content you are getting is same as what the browser will get. Like content validation, we need to do manually. There are certain things in Jmeter which can be used to do a content validation. Nice. It's holding up. What exactly it's doing? Uh, this is header. Header is going to codeblue.com slash question mark I is equal to 1. And we are sending a header of this guy. And also add a header, um, header manager. And we need to add some more config element like cookie manager. I think I have added header manager. No. Cookie manager, if there are some cookies involved, it will take care automatically. Now request code blue. Okay. And let's say we are keeping a loop of 10. Clear and start. It will spawn 1000 threads. Once completed, they will start again. So total 10,000 samples we will be using. 10,000. See, now we are getting this page has used all available PHP process allowed on free hosting account. So my web server was overwhelmed by the number of requests it received. So basically, we stressed our server to the extent it broke. And this can be achieved by manipulating the number of threads and these things. There are a lot of thread groups which are designed specifically for the load testing. Okay, and we can add them, but they are added using some external plugins manager that we will talk about later. But this is how it will look like. So when you are doing a stress testing using JMeter, it will stress your application and it might run out of resources. This is a live server which ran out of the resource. Okay, thanks.